This is how a FIFA football is made. From precision engineering to the world's biggest matches. Every football starts with premium materials.
Only approved materials move forward.
Automation keeps production moving.
Digital precision guides every cut. Precision shapes every football panel. Clean panels ensure perfect printing. Every graphic is printed with precision. Heat permanently seals every design.
Foam adds comfort and durability.
Every edge is trimmed to perfection. Every panel passes strict quality inspection. Every panel is sorted with precision. Preparation ensures perfect assembly. Precision stitching builds lasting strength.
Each panel is trimmed with precision.
The bladder forms the ball's core. The final stitch completes the ball. The ball reaches official pressure. Every detail meets the standard.
Consistent bounce means consistent quality.
Every football receives a flawless finish. Every logo is carefully verified. Air pressure is checked one final time.
Every football meets official weight standards.
Approved and ready for packaging.
Every ball receives a final clean.
Every ball receives its official identity.
Protective wrapping keeps every ball flawless.
Every football is securely packaged.
Ready for shipment worldwide. Finished products enter the distribution warehouse. Orders are prepared for global delivery.
Every shipment is secured for transport.
Global shipping begins here. From factory to players around the world. Every millimeter is measured. Weight must be perfectly balanced.
Pressure meets official standards.
Bounce consistency is carefully tested.
Every detail meets FIFA standards.
Every kick tests lasting performance.
Durability is tested under repeated impacts. The football receives its final finish.
Every seam remains perfectly secure.
Perfect balance completes the test. The waterproof test begins. Water resistance is carefully verified. Water resistance is carefully verified. The surface is completely dried.
Testing is complete. Final certification is complete. Every football receives its unique identity. Security markings are verified. The football passes its final inspection. The football is protected for shipment. The football enters its display package. Packaging is securely completed. Every package receives complete traceability. Weight is verified with precision. The footballs are packed for export. The export carton is securely sealed. Robots prepare the shipment for transport. The shipment is securely protected. Shipment data is successfully verified. The shipment heads to the export dock. The shipment reaches the loading dock. The shipment is safely loaded. The shipment is sealed for export. The football begins its journey. Ready for players around the world. The shipment reaches the international terminal. The shipment is loaded for global delivery. The football begins its global journey. Ready for its new owner.
From factory to the world's game.